Put the gun down. Jasmine, put the gun down. Come on.
I'm gonna eat a nanner.
I told you, he's with me.
Sounds like a Mary thing to do.
Let's just do this, fast and easy. Besides, you owe me one, remember?
Okay, but it's the last time, and then we're even.
Here, this should be more than enough.
Hurry up.
Do I get to choose what guns I want?
Fish, get my way.
M16 burst fire assault rifle. The boys in Nam use these.
So, Jasmine, what have you been up to, though?
Oh, you know, the usual.
Do you not
What about you?
get to pick a gun?
Just let you out of prison.
Okay, I was gonna, make some conversation. I want a fast one. None of these. Oh wait, that one looks fast. How do I move it? Yeah.
What's this?
What the fuck do you want?
Take it easy.
You don't tell me what to
Perfect.
do.
Let's see what these guns can do.
Hey, what's with the attitude?
Look, I just don't like you, okay? Now pick a weapon and get the hell out of my face.
Whatever.
Hey, try to shoot this bottle.
Impressive, Vincent.
I was nowhere near that.
Nice shot.
Well,
Wow.
thank you.
Impressive, Vincent.
Well, I've been practicing.
You're not hitting them.
You even
Ah! That one I missed.
Clearly,
Nice shot.
Well, thank you.
I'll have to hold this team.
Impressive, Vincent.
Well, I've been
Oh,
practicing.
yeah, I've only missed one. You try. Let's see. Let's
Hold on. I'm reloading. Are these hangar doors?
Hangar?
And you come to the door that I'm standing on? Come on.
I'm gonna get it first.
Come on, guys, get in the plane. We're ready to go.
Leo.
Furthest away.
Yo, how much HP these fuckers have?
It's alright. Mary has Fortnite experience.
I do. Look at that.
That must have been the
I'm
last
killing
one of
everybody.
those bastards.
Bap bap. Pap pap. Pap. Pap pap pap. No, I can't kill him anymore. Nice.
Over here, Vincent. The gate is open. Let's go.
Oh.
I hope you know what I'm laughing at.
Why? What are you laughing at?
You missing?
Ah!
Bro, you're just standing in the middle of the open.
Okay. I will be careful. I will be more stealthy this time.
I would hope.
Mary's out there like a fucking Denzel Washington at the end of training day.
More of them coming.
Oh!
Okay.
I'm careful this time.
Okay. This time.